EZRA, can I find an on-compound home for rent in Nakuru? Oh yes, today is the day. Today is the day that the Lord has made for you. Now, I'm inside a magnificent 3-bedroom bungalow, which is for rent from right here in Lanet, Nakuru City. Whoa! Lanet just keeps giving. You know, in the last 2 videos that I've done, I've just realized that Lanet, it just keeps giving. Now, so this home here, just look at the face, look at the facade here. You know, they went with a theme of, is that purple? No. I'm not good with colors, okay? So whatever is on the roof is what has been applied on a section of those columns right there. I love the concrete gutters up there. Jameni, come inside and let us tour this home. Now, I'm standing on the parking area, okay? Cabro paved parking. My car is on that end, and you can see there is still more room for other cars. Maybe 2 more cars, they can actually fit into this space here. So the home sits on a 50 by 100 parcel of land, and it has a pergola. You know, I mean, there is so much details here, but I will try my best to, you know, give them out to you so that you get to know what you're getting. Sindio? All right, so here it is, the entry porch. There's even a dining table out here. Actually, if you don't have a dining table, you can use that one. But if you have a dining table, well, come with your dining table. All right, now let's step inside the home itself. And we have a double door here for ease of moving in your items. Okay, by the way, there are cameras all around. There are CCTV. There is even this one here with a speaker, so that when somebody presses a door there, you know, it rings here and you get to see, okay, who's on the door. Sindio, very important. So through the foyer, like this, that foyer. So I said the home is a 3-bedroom. So the first bedroom is on this end. But today I'm actually not going to show you this bedroom, because on the bedroom itself is where the caretaker, okay, who's overseeing things, matters this home, has their bed there and a few of their items. So today I'm not going to go there. So this guest bedroom shares the bathroom with guest. So we also have the guest bathroom there, and a toilet seat, iko pale, you know. And then on my left now is where we have the lounge. I just stepped into this beautiful lounge. So you have this TV unit, okay? On this end, your entertainment systems, all of them, they will stay here. No need to bring TV stands and what have you. You just mount your TV inside that section, and they actually have Wi-Fi, Safaricom, fiber, home fiber, ready installed, and more space to even have some pictures, maybe, I don't know, but this space is just designed for you. Where utajua vile utaitumia. My job is to find you the homes. Your job is to come and live. All right, so we continue with a beautiful chandelier overhead. Okay, look at that. And of course, gypsum again overhead, recessed in lighting, snake light right there, blinking heavy. So when you come, the switches are right here. Choose the kind of light you want. You want the recessed in, you want this one, or you want the snake lights. It's totally up to you. My job is to find you the home. Now, they went with some beautiful tiles, you know, with an earth look finish there, which is wonderful. You know, I think it bodes well with the white on the walls here. Sindio, very nice. Now, that massive window kule overlooking the parking and even the gate outside, just nicely done. And then I am on the dining area. So, like I said, if you don't want that dining table, bring yours. Up to an 8-seater dining set sits here, perfect. Another beautiful chandelier overhead. When you guys are dining, you'll be, you know, just under a nice ambient lighting, which is very nice. Wow. Sindio, where? Okay, now my favorite part in this home is the kitchen. It is so beautiful. It has an island here at the center. And then I love the white theme cabinetry, you know, you see that with just the black handles, just to create a bit of contrast. And again, for you to know, you know, hapo ndo handle liko, you know, so it is all white, you know, they went with an all white and of course black granite tops. The contrast is just impressive, okay? Whoever did the interior here, they did an tremendous job, sindio? So if I can lock this door like that, this space where you will place your fridge right there, bring a double door fridge, okay, no problem. And your washing area, you know, for washing your dishes, you have this double sink here, which is impressive. And for your cooker, you have this space here. Bring a 6-burner gas cooker, tatosha hapo vizuri sana. I just love how you have plenty of cabinetry here. Okay, so this is a family home, proper family home. Yeah, for, you know, allowing you to store as many items, foods, nini, cereals, etc. all over. Sindio, and this island is really impressive. I think you can even have breakfast from this island pale, or even dinner, you know, if you're not many. You know, you can always kuja hapa ndani. You dine from there. And actually beneath the island, it's not just an island, you know, we have some shelves here. Okay, we have some drawers here, at least for, you know, allowing you to put more items here. Utajipanga. My job is to find you the home. Wewe utajipanga vile utapanga nyumba yako. Kuja na vitu mingi. Cause hii ni nyumba kubwa. There are those homes that I tell you come with a few things. But here you can come with 1,000 things if you have them. So this is the pantry as well. So now let's continue to the rest of the home. I can go like that, but let me go this way. So through this door, and actually since I'm holding this door, all the doors, if you have noticed in this home, they are the mahogany doors, true mahogany doors, hardwood yenyewe. You know, it is solid mahogany, yeah? Which is nice. So from that space, I enter here and we have what we call the laundry area. Just this space here designed for you to install your washing machine. There's a water outlet and there's a water inlet there for me as I'm looking at. And then this door will take us outside to the backyard. We are not going to the backyard now. I'll take you there later. So let's continue straight on this corridor as we tour the rest of the home. Now, this space here is what you call the study room. Okay, right here it is. So they have a study room. If you don't have maybe kids who need to study from here, if yourself you're not a student anywhere, well, it can be your workstation. There are electrical sockets there. So you can, you know, bring your laptop, mini desktop, etc. You work from home. Well, there is that space. So still walking on the corridor. Remember, our first bedroom was right there just as we entered the foyer. It was on our left. So now this is the second bedroom, and this is the kids' bedroom. One impressive thing in this kids' bedroom is that you won't need to buy beds. Okay, so they have already a double-decker installed right here. A double-decker bed installed already. Wewe ununui. So just bring the mattresses only. Okay, weka hapa. Now beneath the beds, I just love the way it is so functional that you have multifunctional actually. It's a bed and then you have this storage, you know, underneath here. Okay, in addition, we have on the side here a seat. Imagine at night, as you bring your kids maybe to come and sing for them, you know, good night songs. Yeah, you just sit here, they tell you stories, how the day was, how school was, nini, etc. Munapiga tu story vizuri, and then you see them sleep, and then you go to your bedroom. Wow! And when they wake up in the morning, they get into this room here. It's an ensuite again. I was about to say they get into the bathroom, clean up. You know, take a shower, nini, everything is here. I love the showers, pale, including telephone showers, toilet seat. It's a dry toilet, impressive. I mean, they just put some top quality wash basins here. It's just impressive, I'm telling you. You know, with even a shaving light. Okay, if this bedroom is used by kids, probably they won't need a shaving light, but they need that light anyway. Now, in terms of wardrobes, well, there it is. okay, and there is more on that end. Okay, so it is for two, probably two kids, yeah, sindio? Yeah, unless they are sharing the beds, then wanaweza kuwa wengi. All right, so now this side, and we are going to the primary bedroom. Whoa. So I will lock that door like that upon entering the primary bedroom. The ensuite is here, but I'll talk about that just a bit later. So now I'm inside this space, and from the look of things, bring your king bed, okay, the biggest you can find. Just go to a fundi. If you don't have a big bed, tell them, get me a big bed. Because putting like a small bed in this bedroom, utafeel ni kama kwa hall. Hey, can you feel the echo? I told you, if you want to know that a space is massive, you'll feel the echo. Oye, Bepe, you hear that? Now look at the ample wardrobe space that you have here. Just look at this, you know. So his and hers. His, hers. For those with family, if you have a small baby, well, there's space for a baby cot as well. So you can be his, hers baby, you know. If you don't have a family, well, this is just the most comfortable bedroom that you can ever be in. Okay? Ample wardrobe space. And then, shoe rack. There it is. Shoe rack. Shoe. You know? Then besides that, we have a dressing table here for the ladies and even gentlemen. You know, there are gentlemen who look over themselves, you know, who, yeah, wanajipanga, wanajiangalia vizuri, wanakaa smart pale. Yeah, so it's a dressing mirror, but it's also a dressing table hapo. And of course, hata huku ndani, nice gypsum, recessed lighting. Typically, you can always, you know, cheza na ambience yako pale usiku as you please. And then now we are in the ensuite. This one here, now things go to a whole new level. You know why? You have a double shower. Let's just say this bathroom was designed for romantic showers. Okay? If you know, you know. If you know, you know. For those romantic showers, you have a double shower. So two people can have a bath at the same time. One on the end, another one on this side. How beautiful is that? Sindio, romantic showers. This is the space. And of course, it has this sliding. Oh, but this one is clear. That's why I said this one was designed for romantic showers. So hata ukikaa hapa, maybe ni mrembo ama ni mwenye nyumba, the other one anakuja kutumia pale. Hapa hakuna ile mambo ya kusema ati zima light. Hakuna kuzima light. Huku unaonekana, if you know, you know. Sindio? Now, they also have double basins. Is it double basin? Okay, two basins, two wash basins. Hapa hivi ziko hapa, and you can see the faucets, mazee, they are very good quality. Sindio? Very good quality faucets hapa. And again, the shaving light is here. Now for this one, will be functional because unless, of course, the man doesn't have beards like the ones I have here, where then you wouldn't need the shaving light, but there it is. All right, so let's go now to the backyard. Let's go to the backyard. I show you what more we have there. It's a big home. Very good. So right here on the backyard, we have a dirty kitchen there. What a bonus. A dirty kitchen. Another bonus we have is on the frontage kule, near the gate, we have latrines out there. Isn't that wonderful? So kama ni kupika githeri, kama ni kuchemsha nini, ngwashe, nduma, etc, vitu kama hizo, maharagwe, bas. This is that space on the dirty kitchen. Tafuta kuni, weka pale. Kola vizuri. I think, mkichelewa, you know I will take this home. I'm telling you. If you guys are late, me, I'll take this home. Ni pikange hapa kwa dirty kitchen, bana, nione kama ntanona bwana. Weka hapo ngwashe bana, zivange bana. Weka hapo mavitu zivange. So besides that, on the dirty kitchen on the side, tuko na zile basins again. Wash basins, the big ones, the concrete wash basins pale. Maybe for, you know, doing laundry on the outside. So above it, we have that overhead tank for supplying water into the crib. And of course, they do have an underground tank of 22,000 liters. I mean, that one inaweza kusukuma 2 months, 22,000 liters. Okay, and by the way, did I tell you, they will pay, the landlord alisema atalipia maji. That 22,000, capped at 22,000. So if you use more than that, you will top up. But then they will pay for the 22,000 liters every month. Now, when the pawpaw, when they are ripe, you can always harvest. Okay. Yeah, so you have 2 purple trees here. So once you do your laundry, the hanging lines, they are here. The perimeter wall all around, I told you, the plot is 50 by 100, perimeter wall, electric fence, functional actually. And of course, we have those solar lights there, CCTVs, you know, on all key areas of the home. So regarding the CCTV, when you occupy the home as a tenant, the landlord will log out so that you log in, you know, so that now, you know, sasa si wewe ndo utakuwa unakaa kwa boma. Wewe sasa wewe ndo unahitaji kuona boma yako, si ndio? Exactly. So you'll be given that access. Okay. And the home, I just love the fact that, you know, the paving, you know, all around the home, except for that small garden on the backyard, the home is paved all around. Wow. So Ezra, how much is that home? Kuja tuongee huko mbele. Kuja tuongee huko mbele. All right. So maybe I can also let you know that the home is offered minus the DSQ. Okay, so the DSQ is not on the market, but just the 3-bedroom home as we have gone around. Yeah, only that. Okay, exactly. So how much is that, Ezra? So the home is on the market for 55,000 Kenya shillings. 3-bedroom, all ensuite in Lanet, Nakuru. Call 0791 055 678 for viewing and booking. Sawa 0791 055 678. And also, if you have a home as well that you are renting, you have an apartment that you are looking for tenants, well, call us on the same number and we will come and, you know, create publicity around it and let the people know that, you know, your product is on the market. Sindio, we love to do that. All right, so mpaka hapo, if you have more questions, just the same number. But yeah, mpaka hapo, I believe you have seen the entire home. Sindio? Okay, see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel for more real estate content from Nakuru and beyond the city. My name is EZRA ONDARA.